Welcome to CNPS, your trusted partner in innovative solutions. You have a number of payment options at your fingertips, from mobile payments to bank cards and cash. This guide will help you navigate them all. First, let's talk about bank cards. Your home country's bank cards, including UnionPay, Visa, Mastercard, and others, are widely accepted. Look for their logos at checkout counters. If unsure, ask the cashier. UnionPay cards are accepted at all merchant POS terminals across mainland China. Next, enjoy the convenience of mobile payments with apps like Alipay, Weixin Pay, and UnionPay. Start with Alipay. Download the app, register with your phone number, and link your bank card. You can use Visa, Mastercard, JCB, Diners Club, and Discover cards. To pay, either scan the merchant's QR code or present your code to be scanned. Next is Weixin Pay. Download WeChat, register, and add your bank card. Similar to Alipay, you can scan a merchant's QR code or present yours for payment. Finally, UnionPay. Download the app, register, and link your card. Use the scan feature for the merchant's QR code or pay or collect to present your QR code. Consider using a tour card, a prepaid card available in the UnionPay app for easy online and offline purchases. Need cash? Withdraw RMB from ATMs accepting international cards at ports of entry, downtown areas, and exchange services. Exchange services are also available in hotels, banks, and kiosks. Look for the exchange sign. Lastly, explore e-CNY for digital currency payments. Download the e-CNY app from the App Store and follow the instructions. Available in pilot areas like Beijing, Shanghai, and Guangdong. With CNPS.com, making payments in China is seamless and secure. Enjoy your stay and trust us for all your innovative solution needs. Visit CNPS.com for more information.